Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing a Holman 52-inch wide shelf door kit. Let's get into it. All right, this is a door kit that you're gonna put on a 52-inch wide shelf from Holman. This is just a kit for putting a door in between two shelves on a shelving unit. The only thing you need to take into consideration is make sure that you match the shelf width to the door width, or else you're gonna have a mismatch of size. So obviously a 52-inch wide door kit is only gonna fit on a 52-inch wide shelf. Right on top, we have our warranty card. This has a 3-year warranty from the factory. Only thing you need to do is make sure you buy this from an authorized retailer like Upfit Supply. Then we also have installation guide. We have a little parts list on top here, a little quality control stamp. I love to see that. And not too much going on with this product. Some nice dunnage there. Here's all of our installation hardware. It's just some simple bolts with some lock nuts and some washers, and then there's a couple of rubber little stops that you'll put on the shelf latch to keep it from kind of jiggling and rumbling around while you're in transit. And then there's just really two pieces involved with this. We're gonna have the door, obviously. Like this, and it is lockable. So you can see on the latch here, we do have our key, and this is gonna control our locking. Well, you can't really tell back here. Unlocked, and I can lock it, and now I can't turn it. So it is a lockable shelf door. Includes 2 keys, so you can have a spare. And again, there's a little hinge here. Usually I'm pretty sure this mounts to the bottom. So it's like this, and you open it like that. So you got the shelf door here with the latch. Again, this is powder coated gray to match the finish of the shelving, so it looks like it blends right in. And then this is just a little lip kit. This is what the latching mechanism latches to. So you either mount this to the bottom of a shelf like this, or to the bottom of a shelf like this, depending on the orientation of the shelf above it. And this gives a nice little latch for that latch to secure to. So not too much going on here. I think it's just like a few bolts to attach it to the shelf. There's pre-drilled holes on the shelf itself to match up with these. So that's pretty simple. You're not gonna have to drill any holes. And you attach this, you attach that, and you're good to go. So if you're looking for this shelf door kit or the shelving units or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.